All right, welcome. So I know a couple people had some questions about the shapes and the rotations and the directions of the shape. And so we're going to go through all answer choices except for letter choice B because we know we can't reflect and rotate at the same time. And so we're going to start with letter choice A. Letter choice A says rotate figure 1 60-degree clockwise around point P. So we're going to use GeoGebra to kind of help us see all of the answer choices. So each one of these lines is sliced into 60-degree rotations. So as we select this and choose this answer choice and rotate this 60 degrees in a clockwise rotation, we notice that it does not map onto our figure 2. And so we know that that is not an answer choice. So letter A would not be an option. All right, going on to letter C. Again, we know B is not an answer choice because you cannot reflect the figure in a degree rotation. And so C says reflect figure 1 across line R, then reflect the image across line S. So let's go ahead and reflect these about this lines. So this is across line R, and this is across line S. And we see for letter C, we do map onto figure 2. All right, letter D. It says reflect the figure across line S, then reflect the image across line T. So let's go ahead and reflect this about line S, and then reflect this about line T. And as we can clearly see, it maps back onto the second image. So C and D right now are an answer choice for us. Letter E, it says rotate figure 1 180 degrees clockwise around point P, then reflect the image across line T. So as I go ahead and rotate around the point, it says 180 degrees and a clockwise rotation. Then we want to reflect this about line T, and we can clearly see that it does not map onto the second figure, and this is not an answer choice. Letter F. So letter F says rotate the figure 120 degrees counterclockwise around point P, then reflect the image across line R. So let's go ahead and rotate this around this point 120 degrees in a counterclockwise direction, and then we're going to reflect this about line R. And we notice this answer choice also does not map onto figure 2. And so C and D will be our only answer choices for this. If you guys have any questions, comments, or thoughts about this problem, please do not hesitate to reach out to me.